Confused between two significant figures and two decimal places? Let's learn the difference between both. So in the previous question, we got the value of x as 2.366 or x equal to 0.634. Now if the question specifies, write the answer in two significant figures. Significant figures means digits, two valid digits, and decimal places means digits after the decimal. So for significant figure, we want the final answer in two digits. Now the first value 2.366. So we are going to consider three digits first, that is 2.36. Now since the third digit is greater than 5, we will round off the number and make it 2.4. So the final answer will be x is equal to 2.4 for the first x. Now for the second one, x is equal to 0.634. Now be careful over here. Since 0, the number starting with 0, we cannot consider it as a significant digit. We'll count the digits after 0, that is 634. Now the 634 will get rounded off, and since 4 is less than 5, the number remains 63. So the second value for x will be x is equal to 0.63. Now going ahead with two decimal places. Now for two decimal places, I want the two digits after decimal. So for x is equal to 2.366, I will consider three digits after decimal, that is 366. Now the third digit after decimal is 6, which is greater than 5 again. So we will round up the number and it will be x is equal to 2.37. Whereas the second value of x, that is x is equal to 0.3, x is equal to 0.634. Again 4 is less than 5, so the number remains same and it will be x is equal to 0.634. So most important difference between significant figures and decimal places. In significant figures, we'll count the total digits. Only if the number starts with 0, we'll not consider that 0. And for decimal places, we'll count the digits after decimal. One more important thing that to remember to get full marks in this question in the exam, you need to write the actual answer that we got first, and with that the significant figure or the decimal places answer that is asked. So total 4 values, all the 4 values should be there in your paper, like x is equal to 2.37, x equal to 0.34, and the final answer as per the requirement. All the 4 values should be there, and then only you will get the final answer mark. I hope you have understood the difference between significant figure and decimal place.